Well, good morning and welcome back to another beautiful day here in interior Alaska. The sun is out and we've got a project for today. I'm getting 5 loads of this beautiful gravel right here, and I need to get this spread out. And so the first place where we got to spread this gravel, and some of you might remember if you've seen the channel before, is I had a tank project from last year where we had to redo this water holding tank back here, my 1,500 gallon water holding tank. And so we didn't have enough gravel to finish up and it was getting too late in the year. You can see this area right here needs filled in with some extra gravel. So go ahead and dump some gravel down in there and get this hole filled up. So this was supposed to be just a regular working project video where I fill up my hole in the back here and do a little gravel work. But then this little incident right here happened where I lost my bucket. And no, this wasn't planned. I didn't do this on purpose. I was more surprised than anyone else when this happened right here. So why did this happen? Well, honestly, I just wasn't paying attention. I'd just taken the forks off. I put the bucket on and forgot to latch it, and then I went and set up all the cameras to catch a couple of angles. You can see I got the 360 camera above the shot. I've got the GoPro on the tractor, and I was not paying attention to what I was doing and forgot to put the handles down. You can see in real time there, I just kind of paused in shock because I couldn't believe what I had just done to myself. So next thing you know, I gotta fish the bucket back out of the ditch here. So the bucket had fallen about halfway down the ditch, which made it hard to try to relatch it on, so I just kind of grabbed part of it and I have to slide it back up onto the landing here. Now if you haven't seen it yet, I made a little short of this same bucket fail where I lost this, a couple clips of that. And that little shorts video has done really well. It's gotten a lot of views. I appreciate everyone that's watched it and all the feedback I've gotten from that video too. Thanks everyone. So now that I got the bucket on, I'm back in a safe position. The very first thing I'm gonna do is get them latches on. So thanks everyone for watching. Have a great one. This is Dana. We'll see you on the next one.